Today we're going to talk about overcoming objections with other agents who are uncomfortable with new technology, using bidding platforms, that type of thing. So without further ado, like I said, let's get to it. There's a couple of things that are normally said by other agents when they're uncomfortable with what we're doing. So number one is the technology piece and the bidding platform, and I don't like it, etc. Number two is, hey, we're trying to deceive somebody, which is definitely not true. I've always heard if you want somebody to dislike you, ask them to change. Well, the real estate market is changing. There is more online activity and new ideas and different ways to sell properties online than ever before. And there's going to be those people that push against you, right? They're not comfortable. They don't like it. And again, it's our job to help educate and get them there. We're always coming from a place of service. My name is Russell Enyart. I'm a real estate agent from Northern California. Until next time, I'll catch you later.